Okay, so yeah, this is like a makeup video to cover what we have learned until until just now. Okay, so we are talking about physical properties. This is chapter 2 on your textbook. If you can, yeah, I hope you can. Please open your textbook and read chapter 2. If you have question, please let me know. We will discuss it together. Okay, so at physical properties, we are talking about, wait a minute. Okay, we are talking about two things. The first one is quantitative things. We know that physical properties have many things like color, like the mass, like the length of it, like how it conduct electricity or conduct heat. Yeah, every object needs or have different properties depend on the function. For example, this cord here, yeah, this cable, it needs to have a good conductivity because if not, yeah, we cannot use it to deliver the current. Other things, for this pencil, it do not need to have conductivity or high conductivity. No. Or this whiteboard don't need to have a high conductivity. Yeah, yeah. I hope it will not conduct electricity because when I touch it or write on it, yeah, it will be dangerous lah. Okay. Other things, for example, this drinking bottle. This need to be a bad conductor, or we can call it isolator, because it can keep the temperature of the drink or others. Okay, please write down if you have any question so we can discuss it together. Okay, now all of the observation we just do can be grouped into two things. The first one is quantitative. I I'm using blue ya. Okay lah. The other one is qualitative. What is the difference? Quantitative is using number. All that have number in it is a quantitative observation. Okay. For example, the mass, the length, or maybe the area, the volume, and etc. That is all quantitative. Okay. Now, for all of this, usually we will state like the mass is 200 watt. We need unit. Usually for mass we are using grams. For length, maybe the length is 2 meter. Maybe some object will have the length of 2 meter. The area of a soccer field, maybe, I don't know, 40 meter square. The volume of this room, maybe, yeah, always maybe 300 meter cubic. Everything of the quantitative needs to have unit. Okay. Nah, but how about the mass is not in grams? How about can we say it in others? For example, in kilograms or in ounce or in ton, in quintal? Yes, we can. Okay. So usually different places will use different unit. For example, in Indonesia, usually using kilograms. But in the British, no, in the UK, yeah, in the UK, they are using different. They're using, yeah, oh, not on UK, on US, yeah, on US, sorry, on US, they're using different things. For example, we are using kilograms, they're using pound. We are using meter, they're using feet, something like that. Nah, it will hard for us to communicate with other, especially scientists, to get the same result, or when we are comparing our data, it will be hard. That's why all of the scientists in the world agree to make SI unit, the unit that universally accepted. So when scientists want to share or want to compare data, they need to convert all the result into SI unit. SI stands for Système internationale. It is on French, I think. In Indonesia, we say System International. In English, usually we call it International System Unit. Okay, this one SI not because it is in Indonesia, but I think it is French. I think. Okay, so we have 7 SI unit, but in this chapter we only need 3. Yeah, 4 at max. First is about mass. The SI unit for mass, the symbol for mass is lowercase m. The unit for mass, it is kilograms. Kilograms. So if you have grams, you need to convert it into kilogram. How? Wait. Second, we have length. The symbol of length is lowercase l. Okay. The SI unit, or the unit that universally accepted, it is meter. The symbol m, lowercase m. And then time. The symbol for time is lowercase t. Okay, that is second. Now, the other for the unit test, we will only cover these 3: mass, length, and time. Okay, so the other 4 is not compulsory for you to remember, but if you can, yeah, it will be good because we will use it again and again, as we journey together in the grade 8, grade 9 until graduated. Okay, next one will be temperature. For temperature, the symbol is T2, T also, but it is uppercase. Okay, so for time it is smaller, no, lowercase. For temperature it is uppercase. Okay, the unit is uppercase K. That is Kelvin. Yeah, in Indonesia we are using Celsius, correct. In some country they are using Fahrenheit, correct. But the SI unit for temperature, that is Kelvin. How to convert it? We will not cover it in this chapter because it will be too many. We will only call it Kelvin. Okay. And then we have current. I believe you already learned about current. Yeah. From the voltage, current, and resistance. The symbol for current, it is uppercase I. The unit is ampere, or some people call it ampere. Yeah, it's the same lah. And then there will be light intensity. The symbol is bigger, no, uppercase J or big J. Okay, the unit is CD or candela. And last one will be number of particle or number of molecule. Once again, I will say that these 4, you do not need to memorize all of this. What you need to memorize is only these 3. Yeah. These three. Okay. Okay, I will continue to write this. This one is small. Okay. If you have question, please write it down and ask me personally later on. Okay. Okay. So after we are talking about this, before I said that how to convert from grams to kilograms, or if we have others than this SI unit, how we can convert it. We will learn about unit conversion. Unit conversion. Usually, we will only use 7 conversion. Yeah, some of you maybe already learned about this on the elementary, but some of you haven't, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is for mass, yeah. For mass, so there will be about gram. In the middle, it will be gram. On the top, it will be kilograms. kilogram, or you can call it kg. The second one will be hectogram. It will be hg. The third one will be decagram. It will be dag. And then below gram, it will be decigram. Deci with ci. It will be dg, not the hero from Mobile Legends. Okay, after dg, it will be centigram. Okay, cg, and last will be milligram. Milli have double L. Okay, it is mg. Okay, you do not need to memorize all of this. I will provide the stairs when you are doing the unit test later on, okay? But what you need to remember, when you are stepping down the stair, it will be times by 10. If you are going up or climbing the stair, it will be divided by 10. I give you an example. Once again, if you have any question, please write it down and you can ask me later on. Okay, so if I have 3 decagrams, I want to convert it into a decigram. First, you want to locate both. DAG is here, while DG is here. Okay, so from DAG to DG, it is going down. It is going down from this into this. You need to count how many steps it is going down. 2 grams and then 2 decigrams. It means you need to times it by 10 twice. You can write it 3 times 10 times 10. It is okay. Or you can write it 3 times by 100. So the result is 300 decigrams. Okay. I'm gonna erase this one and I will give another example. If I have 12 kilograms, I want to convert it into centigrams. This is big. From kilo into centi. Count how many steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 5 steps. So you need to write it 12 times by. You can make it 10 by 10 by 10 by 10 by 10 5 times, or you can make it 12 by only the 0 that is 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Or I don't know have you learned about this or not, you can write it like this. Please let me know if you haven't learned about power. Yeah, so the result is, yeah, you can answer it just like this. 12 this is not x, 12 times by 10 in the power of 5. Or you can answer it like this, put 0. Okay, but if you put a lot of 0, please make it pretty. You can make it like this. So group 3 number and 3 number, so it will be easier to read. Okay, so if you are typing it, you can type it like this. 1 space 200 space 000. Okay, this one will be easier to read. Okay, next I'm gonna give you an example. How about decimal? If I have 0, oh no, I will use black. I have 0.64 from decagrams. I want to convert it into milligrams. Once again, let's count it together, yeah. I know this is a video, but yeah, I bet I can hear you. So let's count it together. 1, you are not talking. 2, 3, 4, From decagram to milligram, it is 4. So you can times it 10 4 times, or you can write it as times 10,000. Okay, do you remember how to move the comma? I'm gonna zoom in here. So first, it is you have 40, right? So 4064, you need to move the comma 4 times. 1, 2, and then the comma is gone. You can write it as 64 times 100 like this, and you continue on. So you will put 20. The result will be 6400. Again, if you have question, please write it down and ask me when we meet, okay? Or you can approach me directly using chat. It's okay. Any question until this point? Yeah, write it down. I forget this is a video. I cannot hear you. Yeah. Okay, this is when it's going down. This is a video, so I believe you can pause and screenshot if you want. I will erase this. Yeah, it will be best if you write it down in your notebook, so it will be easier for you to read again. If you haven't write it down, this is a video lah, so you can go back. Don't ask me to undo. I'm talking to myself because this is a video. Yeah. So another example, if I want to going up, yeah, if I have 12,000 grams, I want to convert it into kilograms. Let's count it. So from grams, I want to rise to kilogram. It is going 1, 2, and 3. It's going up. What is 3? Thrice. Yeah. It is going up thrice. Hey, I want to erase this one. Why are you coming up? So it will be 12,000 divided by 10. You can write it divided by 10 3 times. But this is, yeah, so much hassle. You can write it as 12,000 divided by 1,000. Or you can make it like this. 12,000 divided by 1,000. And you can cancel the 0. 1, 2, 3. I believe you already learned this in the math. If no, please let me know, yeah. So the answer will be 12 kilograms. Another example. How about it is going to be decimal? For example, if I have 15, I have 15 decigrams. I want to convert it into decagrams. Okay, so from decigrams, it want to be decagrams, so it will rise twice. So it will be 15 over 100. I will make it here because this one is easier. You can leave it as fraction. You can simplify it into, you divide both with 5. So the one nominator, yeah, I remember it. Nominator and denominator. After you divide by 5, it will be 3. The denominator also divide by 5. 100 divided by 5, it will be 20. You can answer it 3 over 20. It's correct. Or you can make it decimal. If you want to make it decimal, 15 over 100, it will be 0.15. Why? Because I'm going to zoom in again. If we have 15 here, we can assume it have 0.0. And then because we divide by 100, the comma or the decimal point will move to the left. Okay, I'm gonna write it. If divide, the decimal point will move to the left. If you multiply, the decimal point will move to the right. Okay, yeah, I believe this is a video, so if you want to go back, please take a screenshot. So you are going to divide by 100. So you need to move the decimal point twice. So you move it here and you move it here. So that is 0.15. Okay, or you can put 0 in front. 0.15. That is the result. So you can answer it like this. This one is correct. Or you can answer it like this. This one also correct. It's up to you. Okay, any question on to this point? No lah. Okay, I will draw another one, another stair. But now I will draw it for length. Okay, it will be the same. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It start from, oh sorry, for the length it is meter. So this one is kilometer, hectometer, it will decameter, this one will be meter, this one will be decimeter, centimeter, and last will be millimeter. Okay, it will be the same. If going down, it will be times by 10. If going up, it will be divided by 10. Okay, any question? Yeah, no lah. This is a video. Yeah, I keep asking any question. I think that's all that I will explain. I will separate it into some different video because it will be easier.